Hi everyone and welcome to TechStum's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use phone number instead of email address in iMessage on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, first go to the settings app. Now in the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on messages. In the messages settings, you'll find the option for send and receive under iMessage. From here as well, you can simply enable iMessage on your iPhone 14. After that, tap on receive and send or send or receive. In here, you'll find your phone number along with the email address that you're using for the iMessage. If you want to only use your phone number with the iMessage, simply select the phone number and unselect the email. But if you want to receive iMessages or maybe a reply from both from phone number and email address, you can select both. And in here, if you from here as well, you have another option when you select the email. And here under start new conversation from, you can select either your phone number or email address. If you want to use phone number to start a new conversation, simply select it and that's it. So that's how you can use phone number instead of an email address in iMessage on iPhone 14 series. So thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe.